Say it loud, say it clear.
No, no, really.
Billy, pull it up. Is this working? Working. Say it loud, say it clear. Illegal immigrants are not welcome here. Stop the boats and send them back. Stop the boats and send them back.
This is England, not Palestine.
Oh, England, we love you. Your country, your government has sold you out.
Send them back!
Your own people on the streets, homeless.
Hang on,
Get on the path.
This country illegally.
I'm pissed.
They're in 4-star hotel.
Not for drink driving.
Extravagance on the streets, sleeping rough.
Hang on, John. Hang on. I've got to go on the pavement and take it on there.
He's going to get on the pavement.
Get down for drink. Sorry, darling, I've got this. That's right. Sorry. Wait for our country. Say it loud. Say it clear.
Illegal immigrants
Not welcome here!
Save our country.
Black, brown and white unite. We're not racist, we're patriots. If you're born here, I don't care what colour you are. If you're here illegally, I don't care, you're welcome. Say it loud and say it clear.
Illegal immigrants not welcome here.
You're breaking the law. You shouldn't be here.
Get them out the hotels.
Send back the boats. Sink the boats.
Yeah, I'll say that. Sink the boats, yeah.
All the spotters are out looking at us, but they won't say a word. Your country has sold you out.
Stop Hamas. We hate Hamas.
We ain't Hamas.
We hate Hamas. If you support Hamas, you're no good.
Amos.
You shouldn't even be in this country.
Say it loud and say it clear.
Illegal
Immigrants not welcome here!
House your own veterans. House your own homeless. Stop paying £8 million for people that shouldn't already be here. They've broken the law. Your police forces, your governments, they've let you down. They've betrayed you. What politician ever told us in their manifestos that
We
they
ain't
gonna love this country?
We ain't Hamas. We ain't Hamas. We ain't Hamas.
We ain't Hamas, the murderers.
They're the children.
They kill children. They cut their throats. They chop their heads off. Say it loud and say it clear.
Illegal immigrants
Not welcome here!
Come on, John, keep up.
Come on, John!
Love you, England.
We love.
We love you, England.
We love. We love you, England. We love. Oh, England, we love you. We love you.
Say it loud, say it clear.
Illegal immigrants not welcome here.
Stop the boats, send them back.
We ain't Hamas.
They murder children.
Child killers Hamas.
They use their own people as human shields. Use their own people as human shields. They
We
kill them.
ain't Hamas.
An Englishman is standing fight for his country.
Aye.
These people run away and leave their women and children being shot. Wait a minute, Mr. Policeman.
God save our gracious King! God save our King! God save our King! Victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign on us. God save the King!
Don't worry, mate. We care about them. We care about the fella.
Hey!
Our own people are sitting on the streets, starving, breaking and killed. People that hate us, people that should be in this country are living in four-star hotels. They've broken the law. The police are meant to uphold the law. But instead, they'd rather be on the case of people. We'll go this way, lads. This way.
We hate Amis! Amis are terrorists!
The murderers, their children, they just killed kiddies' heads off. They kidnapped people, innocent people, using them for human shields.
This is England!
Because they're too scared to fight their own fight.
This is England! Not Palestine! England!
Go on, everybody, get up here. I've got a space now, yeah?
Say it loud! Say it clear! Amis ain't welcome here! Come here!
Alright, lads.
Say it loud! Say it clear! Amis ain't welcome here!
Billy, calm down now, mate.
Okay, calm down.
Hi, everybody. Everybody, thank you for coming out. There's not as many as I thought there'd be. I had 15 people let me down last night and this morning because they can't manage their own diaries. We need better people. We need them to act better. We need them to be able to control their own diary. Oh, didums! Didums!
Amis lover!
Didums!
Amis traitor! You Amis lover! Go on!
Right, everybody.
You're a fucking screw. He's a fucking screw in that man.
Where do we start, eh? Where do we start? There's a lot happened over the last few weeks.
That's right.
Okay.
Well, he just
Has anybody noticed that before October the 7th,
we all let him.
Yeah, that's
before
what.
October the 7th,
Just get bombed.
all we heard about was stop the boats, illegal immigrants, etc. Since October the 7th, it's gone off the news. It's all about the war in Palestine. It's very sad what's happening in Palestine. I don't like to see anybody, any innocent person being killed. I don't like to see it. I don't care what colour they are, where they're from. When I see an innocent child being killed, it breaks my heart. I don't like it. Okay? People call us racists. We're not racists. We welcome black people. We welcome white people. We welcome brown people. We welcome yellow people. And if a green man comes down from Mars, he's welcome to stand with me if he agrees with me. We're not racist, but the police,
Protecting them!
the lefties, their go-to default mode when anybody speaks up and says the truth and argues what's going on, their default mode is, you must be a racist. That is their default mode. You know the trouble with the police these days, right?
Want the pensions.
No, the trouble with the police these days, they get all this training. They're having training in diversity. They're having training in equal opportunities. They're having training with everything. But you know what they forgot? They forgot to be patriots.
Yes.
They don't have no training in patriotism. They don't know how to be trained to be patriotic these days. Their default mode is you're patriotic, you must be a racist. I'm not racist. I don't like racists, right? I hate them. Black people, white people, brown people, if you agree with us, come with us. You know what's going on? It's all a divide and conquer technique.
Come on, St. George.
The government, the elitists, what they're doing is, they're turning us, everybody's turning against each other. We've lived side by side. We've lived with the Chinese. We've lived with the Sikhs. We live with the West Africans from West India. We've lived with all sorts of people for years and years. And we've always got on with them. We've never had any problems. This country at the moment is at boiling point. This country's boiling and something's going to erupt very, very soon. And it's down to the government and it's down to the police, the way they're dealing with things. They're not dealing with things correctly. Okay? We're not racist, okay? We're not against immigration. Okay, I welcome immigration, but I want quality immigration. I want doctors, I want accountants, I want lawyers, I want surgeons, people that are coming make this country better. But what we're getting is we're getting the criminals. We're getting the criminals from other countries. We're getting the world's sewage pumped into our shores. That's what's happening. They're coming over on a boat. They're paying thousands of pounds to come over here. They're being used by people traffickers. There's all different levels of issues. And when you look at the news, all they give you is they give you that story about the man that wants a better life. And when you look at it, when it's a human being, when it's your heartstrings, you can understand it. You can understand why they want to come here. I would want to. But it's beyond that. It's more than that. It's not just about their story. It's about the bigger story. It's about the bigger picture. It's about the people traffickers that are making money behind it. It's about the government contractors and the owners of hotels that are making money out of them coming here. They're not going to stay in the hotels forever. The money's going to run out. So when they get, where are they going to go? When they come out the hotels, where are they going to go? Okay? They're going to come into your communities. They're saying we've got an housing crisis in this country. We haven't got an housing crisis. We've got a population crisis. That's what we've got. If you get a glass of water, a pint glass of water, and you pour water up to a pint, it's full. If you keep pouring it in, it's going to overflow. And that's what's happening in this country. That's what's happening. I watched the news the other day. There was a young lady born in this country. She's hit hard times. She's got 3 children. Young lady down in London. She's got 3 children. She was living in a manky hotel. The funding from the government ran out for her. How dare they? How dare that funding run out for that woman that's hit hard times? She may not have worked, but her family have worked. Her ancestors have worked. We've all paid. It was a torch. They were stood outside, they're camping out, they're in the dark, they've got a torch in their pocket. And they got arrested for having a torch in their pocket. And when the police was confronted, they said, well, they're shining it on cars. The reason they were shining it on cars is because West Lindsey Council, they put a stop notice on Scampton. They put a stop notice on the Home Office doing work on Scampton. Okay? But the Home Office and the police are ignoring it. They think they're better than, they think they're above the law. Okay? So what these people are being told to do by their local councillor, by the way, their local councillor has told them if they see any trucks or any cars going into Scampton, breaking this stop order, get their edge plates. So that's what the torches were for. That's why they were shining them on their edge plates, to get the number plate. Now, how many times have you people here seen the police force of England, Great Britain, United Kingdom, wherever you want to call it, in the dark, pull a man over and shine a torch at his reg plate to get his reg plate? Okay? They do it all the time. Now, are they above the law then? If it's a public order offence, if it's a public order offence for the people protesting at Scampton, why not a public order offence for the police? When did we have a two-tier legal system in this country? When did that two-tier legal system come into place in this country? Okay?
I think they can go round our city, trafficking our children. Where go?
Other people got arrested for standing at the gate because they said it was on private property. They said it was private property and they were standing in the wrong place. You know what? Them people went to court yesterday, 3 of them. They went to court yesterday. And you know what the court done? They threw it out of court. They said them men should never have been arrested in the first place. The place that was using it for manipulating the law to remove people. What are they thinking about? They gave us our freedom. And it ain't the government that's took our freedom, it's away. It's us. We've given our freedom away. We've given our country away. Okay. We've let it happen. I'm 59 years old. I haven't known this country in such a state, in that boiling point, since 1981, when the riots took place. I don't want that to happen again. I'd rather avoid it. I'd rather not have any riots in this country. We need to live in peace. Yeah? But we need to live within the law. We need to live within the law. Every one of them illegal immigrants that are in them hotels have broken the law. They've broken the law and they're being rewarded for breaking the law.